Hello guys, and welcome back to the Cedi investor. In today's video we have SIC Insurance. They finally released their half-year report, and I've got to say, on first glance, I am very impressed with this particular company. If you're an investor in SIC, you should be very impressed, and we are going to go over it. I'll give you my full thoughts on the performance of the company, and I'll also give you my thoughts on what I think the stock price should be. So let's get into the video. So if you don't know SIC, it's basically state insurance company, one of the biggest insurance company in Ghana. And as you can see from their website, they provide a lot of services, including motor insurance, travel insurance, fire insurance, aviation insurance. So they provide a lot of services in Ghana. When we look at their trading results, we can see that the company is up massively. It's, I think, trading about 289% year to date. It started the year of 0.27 and it's now trading about 1.05. But despite this massive appreciation, I still think the company is relatively still undervalued. If you're an investor in this company, I'm sure you are enjoying yourself. This company has been killing it when it comes to stock price, and I'm here to tell you that their fundamentals and their performance, it supports, it reinforces. I mean, how many synonyms do you want me to use? Any other word that I can think of, it supports the performance of SIC on the Ghana stock market. When we look at their income statements, and I would like to make a petition to SIC, I beg, you make a lot of money. I'm sure you can just take a tiny portion of it to make a PDF version, a suitable version to send to your trusty investors. I beg, because this one there is like you took your iPhone and you just took pictures of it. Please, you can do better. If you take this thing, it won't cost you much. At least 10 cedis or 50 cedis. You can do something nice. I beg. So that is just my petition to SIC. If there's someone from SIC watching, please go and tell your boss that investors deserve more than just taking a picture, I beg, or scanning it. So let's go. Looking at their income statements, we can see that insurance revenue went up massively. It went from 186 million to 283. Insurance service results went from 80 to 107 million. Even though their expenses grew as well, at the end of the period, net insurance and investment results from 78 million to 120. So after taking out every expenditure and taxation as well, we can see that they ended off the year with a profit of 21 million. Compared to last year, they made 1.7 million. I don't even know how much return that is. Like, literally going from 1.7 million for half year 2024 to 21 million. That's just insane. Basic earnings per share jumped from 0.0089 to 0.1124 just for half year. It's more than, I don't even know, like 20x what they did last year, and that is just amazing to see. Even when you look at their balance sheet, you can see that their shareholders fund went from 406 million to 701 million. And when you go deeper into their statements, you can see that the main reason for their massive growth is because of a massive sharp in fire insurance and motor insurance, going up from 54 million to 116 million. That's just for fire. And also motor going from 52 million to 70 million. Now, I don't know if this is good or bad, because from an investor standpoint, it's very good. But I'm also thinking about it, and I'm like, why has fire insurance really gone up? Like, is there way more fire that is happening in Ghana that I don't know about? Or like, it's really confusing for me. Now, unfortunately, I personally don't own SIC in my Cedi fund portfolio. I think when it comes to my investment strategy, my focus was to focus on the highest of quality when it comes to the businesses. So I like to invest in businesses that have a strong brand and are the leaders in their particular industry. Now, the company I went with was Enterprise Group. It is the biggest insurance company in Ghana, and I think investors are going to enjoy from that one. But if you went with SIC as well, I have no complaints. I can see why. I think the insurance space in Ghana is massively undervalued. I don't know why these companies are trading at very low PE. I think minimum, the insurance company should both be trading at a minimum PE ratio of around 6 to 8. And if they get slightly even close to that particular PE ratio, I think investors are going to enjoy massively from it. The insurance space in Ghana is relatively very still small. So over the next 5 to 10 to 20 year period, I see a lot of growth within the insurance space in Ghana. Because as of now, a lot of people still don't use insurance in Ghana. It's not really part of our culture as of yet. But the amount of free cash flow and the amount of money these companies are making, I think is massively undervalued. Despite SIC year to date being 289%, I still think this company deserves a higher PE. I think it should be trading at a higher multiple, and I think investors are going to do very well with this particular stock. Now, when it comes to the two players in the insurance space, that is Enterprise and SIC, I'm going to do another video where I do an in-depth valuation on the two companies. I'm going to compare each of them, and I'm going to give you my intrinsic value of what I think each stock price should be trading at. So if you are interested in that type of video, please subscribe to the channel. But like I said already, I think the bigger, higher quality company is Enterprise, but SIC is the faster growing one. I think it's growing faster compared to what Enterprise is. By the end of the day, these are just my thoughts and opinions. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what you think about SIC. Do you own SIC? Are you planning on buying or selling this particular company? Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Please leave a like as well. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Until we meet again, have a wonderful and blessed rest of your week.